Chicago Faucets HyTronic series touchless sensor faucets are simple to install. Over the next few minutes, we'll walk through the basic installation steps. Please note that this brief video is not intended as a substitute for the instructions provided with the product. Always follow local codes and detailed written instructions when installing your Chicago faucets. To begin, slide the rubber gasket over the supply lines and mounting shank so that it's flush to the base of the faucet. Insert the supply lines and mounting shank into the sink. Mount the flange from underneath. Place the hoses through the large opening and the mounting shank through the small opening. Make sure the flange sits securely against the underside of the deck. Place the nut onto the mounting rod and tighten with a wrench. Connect the braided hose to the supply stops, making sure the filter screens are securely in place. Note that the cold water hose is clearly labeled. Fully open the supply stops. Remove the protective covering from the sensor eye and wait 15 seconds for the faucet to calibrate. When calibration is complete, hold your hand in front of the sensor until water begins to flow. For faucets with external temperature control, turn the mixer handle from cold to warm. You should feel the water temperature increase. See the installation guide provided with the faucet for steps to adjust the mix of hot and cold water. Your HyTronic Touchless Faucet is installed and ready for operation. For complete details on HyTronic and our complete selection of touchless sensor faucets, visit chicagofaucets.com.